kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, celery drink. If you drink this for at least 7 to 8 days, 10 days at least, you will see some result. And I mean, the best time to drink it is in the morning before you even eat a breakfast at night. So it's very good to drink something different and put in your system. Celery is very good. And I mean, 2014 I did that video. Today a lot of people have been recognizing what is celery. But celery is very good. You can do some research. A lot of people allergic to it is also an allergy, and a lot of people can have it. A lot of people can't even touch it. But just be careful. Do some research, please, guys. You know what I mean? Lemon, ginger, honey, celery. Very good hot drink I did make for you. So please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave the comments in the description box. Please tell a friend and a friend and a friend. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo team. I love you all, and please stay tuned. Thank you for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen. Anyway, today we're going to make you some celery. If you drink celery tea at least 5 to 10 days, you will see, or even 7 days, the least 5 and 2, 7 days. Drink celery tea in the morning. We all know that celery is very good for us. A lot of people have been talking about celery over the last couple of months and days. I did a video 2014 years ago talking about how celery is very good for us and we should be drinking it. A lot of people start to recognize, know that there's a lot of benefit in celery. We're gonna make you a lovely, fantastic celery tea today. First thing, I have some fresh celery right here, and I have lemon, and also got some ginger, honey to sweeten it, and we have the water. Let's go into business now to talk about the celery tea, where a lot of people just start to recognize the benefit of celery. So let's go into business as we make that fantastic tea this morning. Enjoy the recipe. Nice. So basically right here I have a medium-sized pot, and all I'm going to do is turn on my stove, and I'm gonna put a cup of water inside of it. Alright, 1 cup of water. That's the first thing which I'm going to do. Alright, guys. Then second thing is get the fresh celery. I'm gonna put some celery straight inside of it like this. Roughly a few slices of the celery, not too much. Then we're going to get a fresh piece of a ginger, because ginger is very good. I'm going to leave the skin on the ginger. Then secondly, just going to get a piece of a lemon. We all know that lemon is very good for us, and lemon helps to build up our immune system. We're going to put that straight inside of the water. And what we're going to do, we're going to leave that to boil for roughly about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, and then we'll strain it and sweeten it. Nice, I love it, guys. Basically, as you can see, this is it right here. I make it boil up perfect before I do anything. So what I'm going to do now is to turn off my stove, and I'm going to sweeten it. This is some fresh celery tea. The best time to drink this is in the morning. The best time to drink it is in the morning. Let's test it. Oh, that's very hot. Alright, let's sweeten it to see the perfect result from this thing, which we've been talking about. Celery tea. A lot of people have been talking about celery tea over the last couple of months and days now. A lot of people get to know exactly what it's all about celery. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely. So guys, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna simple strain it off. As you can see, I just boil it up like this. Alright. I'm going to get some of this and put straight inside of it. No, I don't mind because I like it. This is for me. I can put everything in it. It doesn't matter for me. Alright. Okay. Get a little bit of honey and simple sweetening, you know. Yeah. And that's exactly what Chef Ricardo have been talking about. Celery tea. You can drink this every morning for 7 mornings. And it's work really miracle in your life. This is a fantastic drink. And I know you guys definitely, if you drink it, you will see exactly what happened to your body after. We all know that a lot of people have been talking about celery over the last couple of months and days. I did that video 2014 and it just recognized today, 2019. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 5 years ago. Alright, here it is again, celery drink from Chef Ricardo and the team. Please thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, and I will see you next time with more recipe. Bye bye.